I'll take it
that's
later.
great.
Come sit here, come sit here. How are you from the last time?
Oh yeah.
How you feel?
Yeah, feeling good. Just still every few months just get a bit.
The shoulder, yeah?
Yeah, shoulder.
Oh,
yeah.
okay, no, I know. Ah.
Yeah. Sometimes it just.
How's your dad?
Oh yeah, he's doing great. Yeah, he retired. He
You
retired.
retired now?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. And your brother?
Yeah, he's doing well. Yeah.
He's still in Ballyfermot?
Yeah, he's still in Ballyfermot. Yeah, I think he was going to give you a ring.
Yeah.
Stage.
I'm very happy when you know my best customers like that, man.
Yeah.
You're one of the first ones on stage. That's good.
Oh yeah.
Let me see. Just hold. I want to resist. I want to see the you're. Oh, that's very weak. One more. Ah.
Yeah.
Here. Okay, a little bit better, but still one more. Okay. Let me see him. Hold. Yeah, stronger.
Yeah.
Hold. Yeah, stronger. One more. Yeah, that's one hip. Hold.
I can feel that in my shoulder there, kind of crunching, clicking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
let me see.
Watch a match tonight or football, I think is planned tonight, isn't it?
I won't stay a little bit late. Don't worry, baby.
Yeah.
A little bit taxi. Relax. Oh, perfect.
It's good to get it done every
Every 6 months?
Yeah.
When was the last time?
5 months.
5 months, yeah. That's perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect.
It's good in every couple of months, like
Yeah,
twice a year.
because the body gets out of that line,
Yeah.
and you just feel
Twice a year.
Yeah.
Or with some people then 3 times a year maybe.
If they have a
Depends.
Depends.
Yeah.
Oh. Let me see. Nice one.
Jeez, yeah.
Yeah.
You get like the neck adjustments are great, aren't they?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That really is. Nice.
Yeah.
Hold on to this. Hold it. That's it. No. Right away.
Even you can feel it, can't you, in the neck lift proper.
Yeah. That's the one. Okay. Hold it, please. Loose. That's the one. Loose. This way. That's the both of the sides. This is for the C7. Okay. Close your fingers over your head, please. Nice one. Can you come a little bit closer here?
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you. Okay. Close your elbows. Perfect. Oh yeah. Yeah. Hold it. Nice one. Perfect. This way. Put your hands here, please. I like to start always sit like this. Push it back. That's it. Thank you. Push it. That's the one, both of the sides.
Yeah, nice.
Oh yeah. Oh, good.
That's much better, yeah.
Yeah. See that here? Good. Let me see now the strength.
Yeah.
Resist. Yeah.
It's not getting that. It's not. I don't feel it.
You don't feel it, huh?
No, I don't feel it crunching or what
Yeah.
it was.
And it's more.
Yeah.
Hold it. Yeah, that's good. Same. Let me check. Hold it. Yeah, stronger, more stronger. Hold it. Yeah, same.
Yeah.
One more. Yeah, good. What do you think?
Yeah, feel it. Yeah, it's the clicking is gone.
Clicking is gone.
Yeah.
Good.
Crunching gone.
We just started.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.